Western has private accommodation, registration services, virtual events, and fully equipped meeting spaces that cater to what the conference or event is looking for. There's more meeting space here in one location than anywhere else in the city. 175 large meeting spaces and unique receptions, banquet spaces that can tailor to anyone's needs. The university's been around since 1878. The original historic value has not changed. It's still important to us today. Western's commitment to sustainability is embedded in our community and the decisions that we make. We're a fair trade certified campus. The decisions that we make are guided by an environmental consciousness, and our commitment to it is paramount. Unique offerings can be historic grand theaters to small catered events, banquets, or virtual events. When you choose Western, you don't just get one person, you get the whole team. We're here and we're committed to build a relationship and make it a successful event, or banquet, conference, or virtual conference, whatever you're trying to achieve. My name is Cliff Fielder, Conference Services and Event Manager here at Western University.